Welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create logos in the Canva web. So here I've already opened the canva.com. To start, you can just go to the apps in here on the left panel of Canva in here. And then under the apps, just find the logo maker app. So under the trendings in here, you can easily find it, the logo maker, this one, or you can also search for it in the search bar at the top. Open the logo maker app. So by using this app, you can create a professional brand logos, whether you are a small business owner, entrepreneur, or designer. Just click on this, choose between this, use in existing design or a new design. I'm going to open a new design. And for the size, I'm going to go with square. So just wait until the canvas is open. So after the canvas is open, the app will automatically open. You can just now describe the logo that you want. You can include words, objects, color, shapes, and anything that you want. So I'm going to just write generate a logo uh, for a coffee shop name. You can insert the name in here. Coffee yard. Okay, and after that you can describe the color that you want, incorporating warm colors, coffee beans, and a cup. Okay, let's try that. The logo should create a welcoming atmosphere. Okay, and suitable for shop signage. Okay, you can try that. Let's try that and click on create. Now the logo maker application will generate or creating your logo. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so now this is the result for my logo with the prompt that I write it before. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.